The 2023 Dacia Duster is a car that stands out for its remarkable value and practicality. Retaining the same tried-and-tested platform as its predecessors, this compact SUV surprises with its enjoyable driving experience. It's a light vehicle, weighing just about 1,300 kilograms, which contributes to its agility and fun factor on the roads. The Duster's recent facelift is another attractive feature. The brand's refreshed identity is now proudly displayed on the car, with the off-white Dacia Link logo adorning the front and the Dacia lettering prominent on the boot. The updated badge is complemented by a stylish new grille design, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the Duster and turning heads on the street. When it comes to trim levels, the Duster offers a range of options starting from the basic essential and culminating in the top-tier extreme. The Expression trim level, known for its balance of cost and functionality, has been highlighted as a particularly good choice. It may not be overflowing with gadgets, but it delivers on all the essential features, making it a great option for practical-minded buyers. The Expression trim level is an excellent illustration of Dacia's commitment to providing value. It comes equipped with an array of features including rear parking sensors with a camera, automatic air conditioning, 17-inch alloy wheels, and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, among others. The pricing is also compelling, starting from £17,295 for the base model and £18,645 for the 1.3-liter version, which makes it an affordable choice for a wide range of buyers. The interior of the Duster, while modest, is well thought out. It may not be the most luxurious cabin out there, but it doesn't lack in terms of functionality. Even though some trim parts may seem basic, Dacia has ensured that there are no quality issues. The infotainment screen is easy to use and well-positioned, contributing to a comfortable and practical driving experience. Lastly, the Duster's safety and reliability features deserve a mention. It may have earned a mixed safety record, but it's worth noting that the Duster has the most comprehensive safety kit in its history. Furthermore, its performance in customer satisfaction surveys has shown room for improvement, but the Duster itself stands out for its low running costs, rugged design, and above-average reliability. This indicates that while there are areas for improvement, Dacia is on the right track with the Duster, and the future looks promising. Dacia has made a clear effort to keep up with the evolving market demands while maintaining the Duster's core identity as a value-oriented SUV. The company's commitment to offering a well-rounded vehicle is evident in the smart updates to the exterior design. The new logo and grille give the Duster a contemporary appeal, setting it apart from previous versions and making it stand out in its segment. In the era of tech-savvy consumers, Dacia has made sure to equip the Duster with an intuitive and user-friendly infotainment system. This is an important highlight as it not only enhances driver convenience but also contributes to safety, allowing drivers to remain focused on the road. Despite some feedback on the interior quality, the Duster's cabin gets the essentials right, proving that a functional design doesn't have to break the bank. The Duster's strong performance in terms of reliability further solidifies its position as a trustworthy choice for buyers. The SUV stands out for its low running costs and rugged design, qualities that are highly valued by users. This feedback underscores Dacia's commitment to delivering value and reliability. While the brand acknowledges the areas for improvement, the Duster's overall performance and popularity demonstrate that it continues to meet and exceed consumer expectations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.